Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today I will discuss about polynomials and exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4 in your mathematics book, एनसीईआरटी बुक में एक्सरसाइज 2.4 आज हम लोग क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। पहला क्वेश्चन है फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एक्सरसाइज 2.4 डिटरमाइन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पॉलिनोमियल डिटरमाइन व्हिच ऑफ the polynomial which are the following polynomial has x plus 1 a factor. First, x cube plus x square and x plus 1, and second or third x power 4 plus x 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1, and third 4 x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2 x plus root 2. Question है determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 a factor. It means the given polynomial है इसमें x plus 1 किस polynomial का factor है यही आपको बताना है इस क्वेश्चन में। तो फर्स्ट थर्ड और फोर्थ मैंने सेकंड नहीं नोट किया है, मींस फर्स्ट थर्ड और फोर्थ बता दे रहे हैं, वैसे आप लोग कुछ सेकंड पार्ट कर लेंगे। तो यहाँ पर डिटरमाइन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पॉलिनोमियल हैज x plus 1 a factor। पूछे P of x equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 divisible by x plus 1 divisible by x plus 1, and then we will get remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Then x plus 1 is factor of P of x. It's okay. So x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1. Put x equal to minus 1 in P of x, then P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 cube plus 1 square minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. P of minus 1 equal to 0. It means x plus 1 is factor of x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. It means x plus 1 is factor of x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. It's okay? Now we can check third part by this process. In third part, x plus 1 is factor of, if x plus 1 is factor of x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1, then p of minus 1 of, in this case, equal to 0. If p of minus 1, in this case we will get 0, then x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. It's okay? So we can write p of x equal to x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Is divided by x plus 1. Divided by x plus 1. Then x plus 1 equal to 0 and x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1, put in p of x. Then we get remainder of p of x. Remainder of p of x. P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 power 4 plus 3 into minus 1 cube. 3x minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 plus 1. P of minus 1 equal to 1. That is not equal to 0. That is not equal to 0. So, x plus 1 is not factor of this. X plus 1 is not factor of this. It's okay? It means x plus 1 इसका factor नहीं होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमको जो रिमाइंडर है वो not equal to 0 मिला है. ठीक है? अगर इक्वल टू 0 होता तो फैक्टर हो जाता. इट्स क्लियर? थर्ड पार्ट. X plus 1 is factor of P of x equal to x cube x square 2 plus 2 root 2 x plus root 2. It's okay? Then we will get P of minus 1 equal to 0. So, x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, put in Px. P of minus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 2 plus 2 root into -1 plus root 2. It's okay? P of -1 equal to -1 minus plus 1 minus minus plus, that is root 2. It's okay? And this. Minus minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. That is cancelled. Minus minus plus, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2. P of minus 1 equal to this. P of minus 1 not equal to 0. So x plus 1 is not factor of P of x. It's okay? That is first question of your exercise 2.4 in polynomial. Second question. See you next. Second question. Use the factor theorem, determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. Use the factor theorem. Use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. It's okay? First question. P of x equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1, and g of x equal to x plus 1. So try to this. G of x equal to 0. It means x plus 1 equal to 0. So we get x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1. Putting this value of x in P of x. It's okay? My P of minus 1 equal to 2 into cube plus minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 cancel out. Total P of minus 1 equal to 0. So g of x is a factor of P of x in this case. It's okay? Note it. It means g of, when P of x divided by g of x and remainder we will get 0, then G of x is factor of P of x. It's okay. Now second part of this questions. Second part of this questions to see सेकंड नहीं थर्ड पार्ट। सेकंड पार्ट आप लोग ट्राई करेंगे, थर्ड पार्ट में बता देना है यहाँ पर पी आर बी एक्स इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब एक्स प्लस 6 एंड जी आर बी एक्स इक्वल टू एक्स माइनस 3। इट्स ओके। जी आर बी एक्स equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0, then x equal to 3. X put x equal to 3 in P of Px, then we get P of 3 equal to 3 cube minus 4 into 3 square plus 3 plus 6. 27, 36 plus 9, that is 36 minus 36, 0, P of 3 equal to 0, P of 3 equal to 0, P of 3 equal to 0, therefore G of x is a factor of P of x in this case. It's okay. Now, third question of this exercise. Third question of this exercise, try to solve. What is this factorize? Sorry, find the value of k. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is 1 is factor of Px in each of the following cases. In each of the following cases. क्या है क्वेश्चन? P of x equal to x square plus x plus k. If x plus 1, if x plus x minus 1 is factor of P of x, then x equal to 1. Put in P of x, then we get x put in P of x and we equate P of 1 equal to 0 due to because x minus 1 is factor of this polynomial. ये पहले ही कह दिया कि x minus 1 क्या है, इसका फैक्टर है। इट मींस P of 1 क्या आएगा, 0 आएगा, तभी हम k की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे ना। चलो, तो P of minus 1 equal to 0, 1 square plus 1 plus k, 1 plus 1 plus k equal to 0. because p of 1 equal to 0, 2 plus k equal to 0, k equal to minus 2. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हो गया. सेकेंड पार्ट इस क्वेश्चन का 2x स्क्वायर p of x equal to 2x स्क्वायर प्लस kx प्लस रूट 2. If p of 1 equal to 0, if p of 1 equal to 0, क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि यहाँ x माइनस 1 क्या है? फैक्टर है इस पॉलिनोमियल का. तो p of 1 इक्वल टू 0 होगा ना. तो यहाँ पर हम पुट कर देते हैं 2 into 1 स्क्वायर प्लस k into 1 प्लस रूट 2 इक्वल टू 0. तो 2 प्लस k प्लस रूट 2 इक्वल टू 0. k इक्वल टू माइनस 2 minus root 2. It's okay. That is k. And third part of this question, and that is the last question, the last part of this question. P of x equal to kx square minus root 2x plus 1 if x minus 1 is factor of p of x, then p of minus 1 equal to 0. k into 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 1 equal to 0. k minus root 2 plus 1 equal to 0. k equal to root 2 minus 1. It's okay. That is last part of this question. And now we see to next question. Question number 4. Factorize. And that is the last question. That is last question in this video. Factorize first question 12x square minus 7x plus 1. फैक्टराइजिंग इसका यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं 12. 2 नंबर ऐसे सपोज करो, अज्यूम करो कि मल्टीप्लाई करने पर प्लस 12, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन करने पर माइनस 7. इट मींस माइनस 4 x माइनस 3x प्लस 1. 4x कॉमन, 3x माइनस 1 कॉमन, 3x माइनस 1 implies that 4x minus 1 not implies that is equal to, due to absence of equation, that is polynomial, not a equation. If this is an equation, then we try to imply that, otherwise also we can try to equal to. It's okay. First part and second part. 3x square minus x minus 4 multiplying this 12. 3x square minus 4x plus 3 subtract करो minus 1x आ जाएगा. यहाँ से x कॉमन किए 3x minus 4, यहाँ से plus 1 कॉमन किए 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4 होल कॉमन हो गया, x plus 1 and 3x minus 4. It's okay. That is factorization of this question. Third, two x square plus 7x plus 3 multiply 6 plus 6 होगा. 2x square plus 6x plus x, 6 plus 1 is this? 2x common, x plus 3 plus 1 common, x plus 3, x plus 3 whole common, and 2x plus 12. Question number 4, that is this. So exercise 2.4 is completely solved, and that is enough for this video.